been doing it for 55 years. It's more high tech. It's getting so sophisticated with all this electronic stuff. None of that existed when I started. None of it. The only thing electric we ever saw was an electric latch on an apartment house or something, you know. That was about it. There was nothing in any commercial buildings. So that part has all changed. And everything is better today, you know, it's much easier. I learned on the job, starting across the street in the shop over there, and right here, and last to Lock in Portland. It was just a small town back then, so it was a lot different, you know. There were no parking meters, and it was more laid back. Now, this main street here used to be the main street from Oregon all the way to Seattle. So this was the main street before the freeway. Wasn't very many people. That's it?
Yeah.
I hope I didn't run.